Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the resolution in Palworld. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here, select Graphics. In Graphics, look for the screen resolution presets. Here they are. Currently there are 4 to choose from. This is my native resolution. If I would lower it, you would notice a black section on the right on the bottom of my screen, because the resolution would really change. It would only change in OBS. For me, as I'm looking at the monitor, this wouldn't change a thing. So this is purely, I am running this on 920 by 1080 purely for the sake of the recording. One more thing. If you are on Borderless, screen resolution becomes locked. You cannot change it. So you can only change it on windowed and full screen modes. After you make your changes, press the escape button, then the back button, and then select yes. This will save the changes. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.